folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to do a product comparison for you guys between the Pioneer Princess and the Pioneer Baker's Choice. So the Pioneer Princess is basically more of their luxury model, and the Baker's Choice is going to be our economy model in the line. So I am going to do an overall product comparison between the two models. You guys will notice a pretty significant price increase. It's a little bit more than, I believe, $1,000 right now if you were doing comparable options on between the Baker's Choice and the Pioneer Princess. So I just want to give you guys an idea and an overview of what you're paying extra for. So the first thing that you may notice right off the bat is going to be the finish of the stove. So the Pioneer Princess here is going to be a beautiful porcelain baked enamel finish. I love the porcelain enamel finish because it's super easy to keep clean. If you're cooking and you get any spills or anything like that down the stove, it's easy to keep clean. Also, the porcelain enamel, it never wears, it never discolors, anything like that. The only thing you have to worry about with porcelain enamel is if you drop something on it and you chip it, well, then that's a problem. With this flat painted black finish, you know, it looks good, it is nice, but with time, you know, after 5 or more years, you may notice that your stove isn't so black and it might look more like a brown color. And that's just from the high temperatures that these stoves reach. So if you want to keep it looking nice all the time, then you may need to consider repainting the Baker's Choice every couple of years. Whereas with the Princess, you would never ever have to deal with that. Second thing you're going to notice is overall size. The footprint of this Princess is much larger. Now, both models that I have featured and displayed here are going to have the side reservoir option, but you will notice that this Princess is still significantly larger. Much of that extra width is coming in the baking oven. So you'll notice here, the Princess has a nice big, large baking oven versus the more narrow baking oven over here on the Baker's Choice. So I do just want to point that out. If you are an avid baker and you like to bake lots of things at one time, then the Princess is definitely going to be a better feature for you. The Princess is going to have 3 overall levels for your oven rack, whereas the Baker's Choice is just going to give you 2 different levels. The Baker's Choice is going to be as is. It's insulated doors only. You will notice that this Princess that I have shown here has a beautiful glass door on it. This glass door is an additional option. It's sold separately. It does not come standard. If you want this, you got to pay extra for it. I think it's approximately $400 to $500 extra as of July of 2023. Please keep in mind, prices can change. That's just a ballpark to give you an idea of what you're looking at for a glass door. Both of these models do have the ability to burn coal, but you would have to specify that at the time of order, and they need to be built for it. The Princess can be adapted with a cast iron coal grate later. The Baker's Choice definitely has to be noted while the stove is being built that it will be being built for coal. Both of these models are going to be UL and ULC listed. That covers all of North America, United States, and Canada. Both models require a 7-inch chimney flue. That's super important. How they calculate that is really the ratio of the firebox to the size of the flue stack and how quickly the gases need to escape. Keep in mind, if you're changing your flue size, you could be voiding your UL safety listing. I have other videos that go into more depth on that topic, so feel free to type that into YouTube to pull up those videos if you're interested in learning more about that. The Princess does have the ability to add a chrome package, which would change this front bar on the stove to be chrome and this bottom edge to be chrome as well. The model that we have shown is going to be featured in black. The door that we have shown is the door with the nickel trim. You can also get the door in all black if you wanted to do that. Clearances are going to vary, but not much. On the Baker's Choice, they are 27.5 inches from the side of the stove and 28 from the rear. On the Princess, we're sitting at 25 from the left-hand side to the wall, 25 from the rear to the wall, 18 inches on the right-hand side of the stove to the wall when facing the front. So the main clearance drop is going to be really on your right-hand side of the stove. So if you have a wall or something going up against the baking oven, that might be a factor of, between choosing between the Pioneer Princess and the Baker's Choice. So that is going to be my product comparison for you guys on the Baker's Choice and the Pioneer Princess. I hope that you guys found this product comparison helpful. If you guys do like my videos, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless. Have a wonderful day.